Hi, I'm David Talbot from Clutch Industries. I'm the Business Development Manager, and today I'm here to explain about technical bulletin number 24. The technical bulletin relates to the concentric slave cylinder used in the R2002N and the RPM 2002, which is used on Commodores from VT to VY. After you've removed the transmission from the vehicle and removed the bearing from the concentric slave cylinder, what often happens is the seal stays in the base of the concentric cylinder. The seals can be blue, white or black. Here we have an example of a bearing with the seal in it and an old bearing with the seal that's been left in the cylinder. The seal needs to be removed for the concentric slave cylinder to work in an accurate and correct position. This can be done with a fine screwdriver to lever out the old seal before installing of the new bearing. Should you have any further technical difficulties, you can contact us on 1300 369 787.